Hey guys, welcome to Sparkle Fan, and today I'm here at the Huawei offline store, and now I'm going to show you the new released Huawei MateX6. And this time with Huawei MateX6, we use the new deco at the back side. It's called the Universal Star Orbit design. This is the star clouds gray color, and this time there are 5 colors actually. The green, the white, the red, blue, and also the black one. And this time the biggest advantage and improvement of the smartphone is to use the distributed Huawei architecture design. It can save more space, but more durable. In front of us, this is the black color, and the lens, if we unfold, the lens 156, and this 144, and thickness 4.6, and if we fold it, the lens 156.6, and the width 3.78, and the thickness 9.9. And also here the more features, the base features about the device: dual lens, bezel satellite communication, thin design. According to what I've mentioned, this phone, even we fold it, it's just like the normal phones, and if you compare with the larger devices, it's even much thin. And also control the weight very well, it's just 239 grams. Also this time they use the powerful AI technology inside. AI assistant can help you to create the sheet, PowerPoint presentation, and also the guideline or anything that can be implemented in this device. And also the camera is very powerful. It's zero image real camera, 48 megapixel plus 40 megapixel plus 50 megapixel plus 45 megapixel with maple original color lens. The first one is 8 megapixel outside screen and 8 megapixel inside screen. So here we also check the difference between the Huawei MateX6 and Huawei MateX6 Ultimate Edition. Actually, no big difference between these two devices. Most of them are the best Huawei phones we can buy, from size, weight, dimensions, camera part, screen parts, hinge technology, almost same. We check one by one. And battery is the difference: 5110, the number 1, and ultimate 5200. Also charging speed, charging watt, also same. 6 watt wireless fast charging and 50 watt wireless fast charging, and also reverse wireless charging 6.5 watt. And battery, as I mentioned, it's the only difference. And here is the screen size, also same. Inside 6.93 inch, 2K display resolution, 180 nits, TPO 2.0 supported 120 Hz refresh rate. Outside screen 6.45 inch, display resolution 2K. Screen to bird ratio 72.3 to 9, also support TPO 2.0, but the big brightness will do 2500, also support 1440 Hz PWM bright adjustment. And also this the hinge is designed to stay at any angle. Okay, you can choose due to the new Huawei architecture, and also the creative, new innovative carbon fiber inside screen support layer is much more durable and anti-shake. It's more durable as well. So we check the camera, wide angle, 50 megapixel, 10 grid, adjustable aperture lens. It's called OIS, and also it's used the RYYB pixel. And also the 50 megapixel wide angle and remarkable original lens, and also 48 megapixel long lens and macro lens, and also called 4 times optical zoom and OIS, as well as this can be a very powerful camera solution. They use also the X-Mate AI cinema feeding engine can also improve the video recording performance. And here is the sample picture where taken and put some pictures at the end of the video, so you can choose the pictures as well. And also for the MateX6 is about 2 meters IPX8 waterproof. Okay, so this is the sample pictures details. We can glance at it, quick through it. Okay, so this is the camera part, and also I forget to mention this time the HarmonyOS is pure HarmonyOS. Because the HarmonyOS Next is not based on the open source, it's only developed by the Huawei itself. And now we can use it. We can check other colors. Here play games in these big smartphones very smoothly. Cool, and this is the other color you can choose: gray, black, white. As I mentioned, you can choose different colors as you like. So settings, very thin and slim. If we fold it, it's always thin, just like normal phones. And all this time, for the phone is support a lot of special air control. For the air control, and this is the red color. It's a red material. For the air control, you need to log in the same account. Maybe just like the one account on tab, on PC or on smartphone. So you can use the air control to demonstrate the full connecting to the phone to transfer wise. It's very cool. And now we can check the details of the screen, because normally for the foldable ones, the screen is biggest issues is normally comes from. It's easy to broken, and the hinge also used a lot of times. It's a big trace and marks you can find on the screen. So you need to check the details of the screen, and also the, as I mentioned, the new designed camera dome. A bit similar to the MateX6 and MateX7, but okay, I really like the thing is cool. I really like it. The different colors and the new designed Huawei MateX6. Okay, some pictures time. And okay, this is today's very quick and very simple hands-on video of the Huawei MateX6, and hope you like my videos. Let's attend the video more cool gadget phone here. Here are the sample pictures. Bye bye. You can check it.